So here we are looking at the recursive formula, and this is a formula that allows any term to be computed from the previous term. The first term must be given. So let's look at an example here. So here I'm given the sequence. Let me start by finding the explicit formula, and remember it's given by, the general rule is the first term, then n minus 1, which is going to be 4. The first term is 4, and I can see the ratio I'm multiplying by half every time, so 1/2 n minus 1. So that is the so here is the explicit formula. What's going on? This is the explicit formula, and then the recursive formula is given by, you have to be given the first term, so the first term is 4, and then to get the next term, so the nth term, you're going to take the previous term. So this is, the previous term is denoted by that, and then we are going to multiply by 1/2. And another way of writing this, it would be 1/2 of times the previous term. So that is the recursive formula.